Artificial intelligence, AI, has numerous benefits and has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Here are some of the major benefits of AI. Efficiency. AI can help automate and streamline processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This can save time and resources for businesses and organizations. Accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data with greater accuracy and speed than humans, leading to more reliable results and better decision-making. Personalization. AI can help create personalized experiences for customers by analyzing their preferences and behavior. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and retention. Predictive analytics. AI can be used for predictive analytics, which allows businesses to anticipate customer needs and respond proactively. This can help identify potential issues before they occur, leading to better outcomes. Improved healthcare. AI can be used to improve healthcare by providing more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments. It can also help reduce medical errors and improve patient outcomes. Automation. AI can automate tasks and processes that are repetitive or dangerous for humans. This can help reduce the risk of workplace accidents and improve overall safety. Cost savings. AI can help reduce costs for businesses by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and reducing the need for human labor. Overall, AI has the potential to create significant benefits for individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. However, it is important to ensure that its development and implementation are ethical, responsible, and aligned with human values.